Welcome to my channel. ADF scanner not feeding paper properly? Step 1. Check the paper condition. Make sure the paper is clean, flat, and free from folds, tears, staples, or paper clips. Curled or damaged sheets often cause the ADF to misfeed or pull multiple pages at once. Step 2. Load the paper correctly. Place the paper stack neatly into the automatic document feeder, ADF. Do not overload the tray, and ensure all pages are aligned before starting the scan. Step 3. Adjust the paper guides. Move the paper guides so they gently touch the edges of the paper. Guides that are too loose or too tight can prevent the scanner from feeding pages properly. Step 4. Clean the feed rollers. Turn off the scanner and open the ADF cover. Wipe the feed rollers with a soft, lint-free cloth lightly dampened with water or isopropyl alcohol, then let them dry completely. Step 5. Remove any obstructions. Check the paper path for torn paper, dust, labels, or other debris. Even a small piece of paper can stop the ADF from feeding documents smoothly. Step 6. Use supported paper. Use the paper size, thickness, and weight recommended for your scanner. Very thin, glossy, or heavy paper may not feed correctly through the ADF. Step 7. Restart the scanner. Turn off the scanner, unplug it for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. A simple restart can reset temporary hardware errors affecting paper feeding. Step 8. Update the scanner driver. Install the latest scanner driver and firmware from the manufacturer's official website. Software updates often improve scanner performance and fix ADF-related issues. Step 9. Test with a small stack. Load only 5 to 10 sheets and perform a test scan. If the pages feed correctly, slowly increase the number of sheets to find the scanner's optimal capacity. Step 10. Replace worn rollers. If the ADF still fails to feed paper after cleaning and testing, the feed rollers or separation pad may be worn out. Replacing these parts can restore normal paper feeding. Thanks for watching.